Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Collusion questions get easy fast if you track price, quantity, and surplus, because one market move here hits consumers first, then shrinks overall gains too. When the two firms collude, they act more like a monopoly, charging a higher price and producing less than the socially optimal quantity, so market output moves away from the efficient level. That higher price directly cuts consumer surplus because consumers now pay more and some buyers who would have purchased at the lower price are pushed out of the market. Because quantity falls below the socially optimal amount, mutually beneficial trades disappear, creating deadweight loss, so total economic surplus decreases. That locks in choice E. Well done. Scan now. Trap. Rushing signs. Rule. Trust the given setup and check each surplus effect before choosing, since collusion cuts output and causes